Before you buy any hitch cargo carrier, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most of them rattle like crazy on the highway, even with a stabilizer. I learned that the hard way, lost a cooler mid-trip because the straps slipped. So today, I'm showing you the 5 that actually stay quiet, secure, and worth your money. Product number 1, MiFar Basic Basket Plus Bag. Let's start with the MiFar 53-inch carrier. It's not flashy, but it's solid, built from powder-coated alloy steel and rated for 500 pounds. What stood out immediately was the included waterproof bag, net, and hitch stabilizer. Most brands charge extra for these. At $244, it's priced right in the middle, and over 400 people bought it last month, so it's clearly getting traction. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're hauling camping gear or luggage on weekend trips, the stabilizer actually works. It clamps onto your 2-inch receiver and cuts down wobble significantly. The rails on all 4 sides keep smaller items from falling through, and the whole thing assembles in under 20 minutes with just basic tools. It fits trucks, SUVs, even smaller cars, anything with a Class III or IV hitch. And yeah, that's a real downside. Once it's mounted, it stays sticking out behind your vehicle, which makes parking in tight spots annoying. If you live in a city or park in garages often, this could be a deal breaker. But if you mostly use it for road trips and don't mind the permanent profile, the durability and included accessories make up for it. This is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense, reliable carrier with everything in one box, no extra purchases needed. Skip this one if you need something that folds up when not in use. For the price, it's a great value if you prioritize function over convenience. Product number 2, Mach-In's 60 Folding Carrier Plus Packing Cubes. Now, if the MiFar's fixed design bothered you, this Mach-In's model takes a completely different approach. At 60 inches long and foldable, it gives you more space and the ability to tuck it upright when you're not hauling. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Those packing cubes are a game changer. Each holds 90 pounds and fits perfectly inside the cargo bag, so you can organize clothes, tools, or gear without everything turning into a tangled mess. The bag itself has reinforced seams, a zipper flap with Velcro, and even a combo lock, great if you're stopping at campsites or rest stops. Plus, the 2-inch shank raise gives better ground clearance, which is huge if you drive an SUV or truck on rough terrain. Now, some people complained about the weight, 58 pounds empty. That's not trivial. If you're lifting this alone, especially when loaded, it can be awkward. And while the folding mechanism is handy, a few users said the hinges feel a bit flimsy over time. Still, Mach-In's backs it with a 10-year warranty, which tells you they believe in the build. This is perfect for you if you take frequent long trips and want serious organization and weather protection. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't need the extra packing system. It's pricey, but the all-in-one kit justifies the cost for frequent travelers. Product number 3, PING-DIR 60 Folding Carrier. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers who still want folding functionality. The PING-DIR carrier comes in at just $218, over $100 cheaper than the Mach-In's, and still includes a waterproof bag, net, straps, and stabilizer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The mesh flooring is tighter than most, so even small items like coolers or toolboxes won't shift or fall through. The powder-coated steel resists rust, and the included hitch stabilizer actually tightens securely, no wobble on highway speeds. It fits any 2-inch receiver, and assembly is straightforward with clear instructions. Now, some people complained about the cargo bag size. The listing says 58 by 19 by 24, but a few buyers said it's closer to 44 by 36 by 16 once packed. Still decent, but not as roomy as advertised. Also, the straps are basic nylon, don't expect heavy-duty ratcheting strength. But for weekend trips or light hauling, it gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you want folding capability without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need industrial-grade straps or maximum storage volume. For under $220, it's one of the best value deals out there. Product number 4, Mach-In's Heavy-Duty W License Plate Holder. Now, if you like the Mach-In's quality but want something even more road-ready, this version adds a license plate holder, an industry-first feature that actually matters. Priced at $321, it's nearly identical to the second model but includes a built-in bracket so your plate stays visible when the carrier is folded down. That's not just convenient, it's legal in most states. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The license plate holder eliminates the need for a separate mount or duct taping your plate to the cargo bag. Combined with reflectors and a 2-inch raise for ground clearance, this thing is built for safety and compliance. The 16 cubic foot bag is fully waterproof, and the stabilizer plus lock combo keeps everything rock solid even on bumpy back roads. Now, some people complained about compatibility. If your vehicle has a rear-mounted spare tire, the carrier might block the hatch from opening fully. Also, the 60-pound weight makes it tough to install solo. But again, the 10-year warranty and responsive customer service help ease those concerns. This is perfect for you if you drive an SUV or truck and want legal, safe hauling without extra mods. Skip this one if you have a rear tire or rarely fold the carrier down. It's a smart upgrade for frequent road trippers. Product number 5. Mach-In's Max Capacity 25 QFT Set. Finally, if you need maximum space and don't mind spending top dollar, this Mach-In's 60x 24-inch carrier is the beast of the group. At $360, it's the most expensive here, but you get a massive 25 cubic foot waterproof bag, nearly 10 more than the others. That's enough for a full family's camping gear, coolers, and luggage for a week-long trip. 20 gives you real estate to spread out bulky items without overhang. The bag has reinforced seams, a 2-inch flap, and Velcro closures, so rain won't sneak in. Plus, it includes everything: license plate holder, stabilizer, locks, straps, and a bungee net that stretches to 75 inches. The folding design and reflectors make it safe and convenient. Now, some people complained about the price, and honestly, it's steep. But if you regularly haul large loads, the capacity and durability justify the cost. This is perfect for you if you travel with a group or need serious cargo space. Skip this one if you only take short trips or drive a smaller car. For heavy-duty users, it's worth every penny. So which one should you pick? The Mi Far is great if you want simplicity and value. The Pingdir wins for budget folding. Mach-In's offers premium features, especially the license plate holder and packing cubes if you're a frequent traveler. And the max capacity model is for serious haulers. Just remember, no matter which you choose, always use the stabilizer and double-check your straps. Safe travels.